Hello dear students, once again welcome you all in this online session of classes. So today in this video we are going to study the third method of integration, and that is integration by parts. Okay. First method we studied the integration method of integration, that was integration by substitution. Second method was integration using partial fraction, and third one is integration by parts. Okay. Now what is the meaning of integration by parts? If I just recall the product formula of differentiation, so what was the product rule of differentiation? That was the rule to find out the differentiation of two functions which are in the form of multiplication. अगर दो फंक्शंस प्रोडक्ट की फॉर्म में या मल्टीप्लिकेशन की फॉर्म में है और अगर आप लोगों ने उनकी डिफरेंशिएशन फाइंड करनी है तो आप लोग क्या यूज करते थे? प्रोडक्ट रूल. ठीक है. इन द सिमिलर वे that we can say product rule of integration is known as integration by parts. ठीक है. If there are two functions, let us say u into v, and you have to integrate with respect to x, so it will be done by using the integration by parts, and the formula is u will be written as it is integration of v minus integral of bracket differentiation of u into integration of v whole dx. This whole dx means then we are integrating this portion with respect to x. dx denotes with respect to x. Alright. Let's do one question based upon this. Let us say we have to integrate x sin x with respect to x. We have to find out the integration of x sin x with respect to x. This question is very important. This has come up several times in the last year. So we have to integrate this function x sin x into sin x with respect to x. Okay. Now see, there are two functions here in product x into sin x. Now there is a proper method to just identify or just to name the function as first function or second function. It's not like that we can name any function by u or we can name any function by v. It's not like that. There is a proper method that to which function you have to denote it by first function and to which function you have to denote it as second function. So for that the method is known as isolate. That is isolate. Now what is this isolate stands for? This I stands for inverse trigonometric function, L stands for logarithmic function, A stands for algebraic function, T stands for trigonometric function, and E stands for exponential function. Okay. Generally there used to be 5 functions. आपके पास 5 functions ही given होंगे. ठीक है. Inverse trigonometric functions कौन से होते हैं? Sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse वाले functions. L stands for logarithmic function, log x. ठीक है. A stands for algebraic function जैसे x square, x cube plus 4x, polynomials टाइप के जो functions होते हैं. फिर T मतलब trigonometric, simple sin x, cos x, tan x like that. E मतलब exponential, e raised to power x, e raised to power sin x, इस टाइप के functions. तो अब देखो यहाँ पर आपके पास ये वाला function कौन सा है? मतलब आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? इंटीग्रल ऑफ x sin x. Alright. So here x is algebraic function and sin x is trigonometric function. तो isolate में आपके पास algebraic और trigonometric. algebraic पहले आ रहा है कि trigonometric पहले आ रहा है? algebraic पहले आ रहा है, trigonometric बाद में. So that means algebraic, this will be your u and this will be your v. ठीक है ना? So it will be u into v. Now we can just put down the, you have to just first write down this formula, and you can also write down this, that using integration by parts. You must mention that using integration by parts. Which method you are using? Using integration by parts. Okay. So that is x as it is integral of sin x minus integral of differentiation of x into integral of sin x. You have to just put down the values of u and v to the given formula of integration by parts. Now x as it is integration of sin x is minus cos x. Differentiation is positive cos x and integration is minus cos x minus integral differentiation of x is 1 into sin x की integration क्या होती है? minus cos x close the bracket, and after that dx. Okay, and in the last, minus x cos x. You can take this minus sign out, comma, so it will be plus integral cos x dx. Minus x cos x. Now, what is the integration of cos x? That is integration, yes. So that is sin x plus sin x. So plus c. So this is our answer. Minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. This is the integration of x sin x, that is minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. In the similar manner, we can find out the integration of the functions which are in the form of product form, okay, using this integration by parts. Alright, now we have done all these three methods. You can, like, in these ways you can solve various questions. You can solve, you can go for the various problems, like in which various other functions can also be given, like exponential into logarithmic, like that. You can go for those questions also. Similarly, you have to just put down the values and you have to just use the basic formulas of integration which we have done in the very first video of integration. Okay, so those formulas you must memorize in heart so that it can be used in the questions. Okay, so in the next video, now these are the methods, we can say the methods of indefinite integral. Okay, but these methods are also used in definite integral, but only the difference is their limits are given. Okay, so after integrating you have to put down the limits in those definite integrals. Okay, that we'll do in next video. So thank you and have a nice day.